What's up, guys? It's Tony. Today, I want to break down the reason I bought almost $7,000 worth of SPYD. This video is for beginners, so I'm keeping everything simple and easy to understand. Towards the end, I'll show you my account. I'm just sharing why SPYD made sense for me and how I think about investing long term. My channel is about financial literacy and showing what actually worked for me, not hype or shortcuts. This is just a look into my life and how I am currently investing. SPYD is a dividend ETF. ETF just means exchange traded fund. Instead of buying one company at a time, SPYD holds a basket of dividend paying companies for you. SPYD focuses on companies that pay dividends, meaning they share profits with shareholders. One big reason I like SPYD is because I don't have to pick individual companies. For me, trying to research different companies seemed a little intimidating. So I did my Googles, and then I came across SPYD with a little research. SPYD spreads my money across many companies in different industries. That's diversification. It lowers risk. Once I found out that it paid dividends, I was sold. I am a sucker for any stock or ETF that pays me dividends. Dividends are cash payments companies send you just for owning shares. With SPYD, those payments come from many companies instead of one. I am honestly a glazer of dividend-paying stocks and ETFs. Anything that is going to get me closer to my $1,000 per month or $12,000 per year dividend income, I'm interested in it. During my research, I found out that SPYD was known for having a higher dividend yield compared to many other ETFs. The yield changes, but it has often been around 4 to 5%. I didn't buy $7,000 of SPYD at all at once. This was built over time. Let's take a look at my brokerage account. I am using Schwab right now. I have a little over 100,000 in my account currently. I have many different stocks and ETFs right now, but I'll just focus on the SPYD right now for the sake of this video. I don't have exactly $7,000, but it's close to it. I try to add funds consistently as I earn money and stay disciplined. As you can see, I purchase about 4 each week on average, or sometimes more. I use my money from my 9 to 5 to fund my account like most people. With that being said, trust me, I am a regular guy that doesn't mind making sacrifices with his finances. Now, at around a 4.5% yield, $7,000 invested in SPYD could generate roughly $315 per year in dividend income. That's about $26 per month on average, and that's without selling a single share. The real power comes from reinvesting those dividends. When dividends buy more shares, those shares produce more dividends. That's compounding. This is probably the love of my life, compound investing. Think of it like planting seeds that grow trees, and those trees drop more seeds every year. SPYD is also low cost. The expense ratio is small, which means more of my money stays invested instead of being eaten up by fees. Fees are something you can't avoid, so since I couldn't avoid them, I chose an ETF with low loss fees basically. SPYD is not about getting rich overnight. It's about consistency and income for me. This ETF fits my long-term mindset. I want assets that work while I'm still stuck at my 9 to 5. That's the reason I bought almost $7,000 worth of SPYD. Simple structure, dividend income, diversification, and low cost. Right now, each share is under $50. If you're a beginner trying to understand dividend investing without overcomplicating things, SPYD is worth learning about. If you want to follow my journey, see how I invest, and learn more about credit and investing, make sure you subscribe, like the video, and check out the next one.